Let's remake Calling My Phone by Lil Tjay and Black in 1 hour. I'm going to show you how to get that vocal chop sound, how to get that pitch shifter sound, and the exact hi-hat pattern for this track, which I think will take a bit of time. Oh, and I'm Hugh, or 93 Acres, and I've been making music for over 20 years now, which has brought me to Berlin, New York, Shanghai, working with Broadway stars, and to you guys, making music production tutorials over on YouTube. Speaking of which, let's get into it. Here we go! Stopwatch ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Key chords and BPM. Key. I can get you out my mind. Can get you out my mind. The vocal melody is definitely in D major. 2 different chord progressions in the chorus. Should he call my E minor? Sound before it's over. Leave me alone. B minor. Dun 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 dun. E minor. Da 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 da. Dun dun dun. B minor. Da. D major. Da da. Then in the post chorus, G minor. Da ma ma. E minor on my mind. I can't B minor on my mind. I can't D major on my mind. I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll change over to the other screen. Here we go. BPM. Let's click along to the track. You know the drill. Oh, that. 105. And let me change it here. Instruments, sub, bass, piano. Then we've drums, kick, snare, hi-hats, lead, vocal, chop, vocal, ad-lib, hums with like little altar boy. Let's get down to business. That took 9 minutes and 5 seconds. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Open Serum up for a bass. Load preset. Wow. That is beefy. Woo! It's huge. Shout out to Watchtower. He's watching on Twitch and he has just given us his preset for Serum, which is sick. What would it sound like if I got rid of lots of high end? Oh, he's done it. Recording the bass really quickly and it will just map out what we need. I told you before that it's over, so leave me alone. Down to B minor. E minor. Don't trust me, back to B minor, D major, da 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 da. Let's just fix this. There we go. Fix velocity, select and operate. Gorgeous. Shift option up and it's up the octave. 15 minutes, 12 seconds. And then I like to color my bass brown. Option hyphen and then we have the outro there. Once we get the drums down, we'll be able to play the piano on top of that and then we're really flying. Kick first, splice, downloads, drum, kick. I'm going to go for the count just because I love it. So the kick is a 2-bar rhythm in on the 1 and the 4 of the first bar and we're in on the 2 of the second bar and that repeats. The first 2 bars, command or, that's the kick pattern. And we can give that a little bit more punch. We could sidechain the kick to the sub bass, which I might actually do. But first, data life, sausage fattener. Yeah. Compressor on sidechain, change the audio that affects it is kick A. And now each time the kick A here hits, the compressor is going to reduce the volume of the sub bass. That helps the sub bass and the kick gel together just a little bit, make them work together so they won't get in each other's way. There's our kick and our sub bass. 21 minutes, 13 seconds. Let's throw in our snare next. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think it's on the 3 of every bar. Splice, drums, snares. I do enjoy having a few different sounds on my snares. Give that extra thickness and we can pan them around our head. Really makes that snare hit hard. Count sample on the 3. That's definitely 1. Oh, fantastic. I'm gonna take the second one that I thought was really, really good. One on the left and one on the right. Make these guys hit at slightly different times. Beautiful. Grab all of these sounds. Then we go marquee tool, drag over the first bar, command or, and we've snares everywhere. 24 minutes, 23 seconds. And we're making great progress. Let's try the hi-hats next because I fear they will take a little bit of time. Let's go over this guy. We might need a few different hi-hats. I'm dragging these sounds that I got there. Whoop. And let's just put in 4 beats at the start. Slightly wrong sound. I do like the roll though. How about copying the start of that guy and using him as our sound? Hi-hats take so long to get right. There's so many little intricacies. There's another roll at the end here. Then there's a 2-hit. Da da da. I told you before that it's over, so leave me alone. Lots of 1 and 2 and, which are 8 notes. 1 on the and here. Double guy on the and of here. I have the last one here, which is brka. Happens here. It's more active the second time round. A second hi-hat that is a pitch slightly down. So hear the difference here. I'll copy across these. It's based off the same thing, but with a few extra sounds. And then the last bar is ka, ka, brta. I think this is it. Told you before that it's over, leave me now. Leave me alone, leave me go. Yeah. Woo! I knew that was a journey. Journey of difficulty. That took us a few minutes. 41 minutes, 38 seconds. 20 minutes left. Let's color those drums yellow. Let's use a Labs piano today. I do love myself some Labs piano. In the chorus, it's a little bit simpler, and in the post chorus, it's more complicated, just more extra notes thrown in, and it's up an octave. I was happy enough with the first half. Let's record the post-chorus. Gonna drag this out just so that it doesn't end. Click here on the track, press A, sustain, goes out for infinity. Drag down the audio volume at the end then, just let it fade out. I have all the reverbs here from our template. Reverb on those snares, they just die a death otherwise. Piano done, 49 minutes, 43 seconds. Woo, making good progress. Vocal bender. I can get you off my mind. I'll try and sing it in. I can get you off my mind. I think that's it. Ooh, 7.5 minutes left. We'll be all right. Let's see if I can just make these loop and blend into each other a little bit. Put the pitch and format to full plus 12. Ooh, a minute and a half left. We're getting kind of close. Cool, so there's one vocal go, and let's see if we can get that. This one here, with this vocal effect, we've added lots of reverb and taken out some high end. And that's time. Got caught up in the hi-hats. I basically blamed the hi-hats. I should have just put it something random as opposed to being very specific. So let's just throw in the do. So it definitely happens here. But we don't actually have the sub bass down in the post chorus. So let me just take that out. Sounds great though. Big fan. And oh, we have a little skrrr. Let's just record that in. Skrrr. There we go. Performing the pressure's on. Right in the B natural. Am I missing anything? In the very last chorus, Black does something really cool. You just got those extra ad-libs that just add texture. We're going a little bit over time, but I think it's worth showing you guys how I'd remake this. All the little details is more fun that way. And more rewarding as well. Yeah. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind, yeah. And we'll just double some of the lead vocals that we will sing. Over, alone, see me gone, see me storm. Hold that, hold that. Grab all them, tune them. You can always do the D major, which makes it just a little bit quicker. Bring down a vibrato. See me gone, see me storm. Really nice. This track is good. If you enjoyed this video or maybe even learned something from it, feel free to like, subscribe, and bell notification button. I went the wrong way. Like, subscribe, bell notification button to see more videos like this. I also make this live over on Twitch, so if you want to watch me make these live, or if you have any questions for me and you want to see things in more detail, that's the place to go. Links down below. All right, shall we listen to the full thing? It would be rude not to. Here we go. Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over, so leave me alone. No one's hurting to see me gone. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back, but trust me, you gon' hold that, hold that. That is one good song. A lot of sadness, but there's still hope. Don't worry guys, there's always hope.